Hi guys, welcome back to New Growth Naturals Hub. In today's video, I will show you how to properly make aloe vera oil for extreme hair growth and stronger hair. Aloe vera increases hair growth. Aloe vera contains enzymes that directly increase hair growth and make your hair look healthy. Proteolytic enzymes containing aloe vera capable of eradicating dead skin cells in the scalp that can clog the hair follicles and cause difficulty for it to grow and get the necessary nutrients. Aloe vera removes sebum and dead cells found on the scalp and also promotes hair growth. The alkalining substance of aloe vera can help bring the scalp and hair pH to a better level, so the hair growth process can be maximized. In addition, it can also help hair to keep water moisture. So I will go ahead and put a paper towel on a plate, and I'll try to get rid of all the excess water from my aloe vera. The less water you have in your aloe vera oil, the oil is better and it will last longer. The protein content in aloe vera gel is very good for hair. One of them is its benefits to prevent hair loss. Aloe vera gel can strengthen the hair to the root and prevent hair from breaking easily and falling out. Aloe vera contains anti-inflammatory properties, making it practical for treating scalp irritation such as redness or soreness. Here I am adding my carrier oil. I'm using extra virgin olive oil, but you can use any carrier oil of your choice, with a coconut oil, with a grapeseed oil. So here you have it. This is what the finished product looks like. I will go ahead and put it in the pot. So here you have it. All the water is now dried out. So I'll go ahead and turn my stove off and let this sit here and cool, and then I'll come back and strain it